be doing prop hunt in Fortnite. It's gonna
Today,
be
I bought
100
100 homeless African children, and I'm gonna make them fight for food.
We're gonna make them fight for 4 peas and 3 grains of rice and some
Alright, ready up,
water.
guys. Alright, ready up.
Is
Ready
it
up.
bad? Wait, hold on. Is it bad that that video would actually be a really good banger though?
What? Seeing a bunch of African kids fight?
bad.
It's freaking like it's just Fortnite, bro. Matchmaking error. I guess I'm gay.
Huh?
Freaking, I was looking at the shop, fool. Oh my! It's a big ass fly, bro. Get out of here. I gotta send you to Jesus, bro.
Wait,
Like, still trying to load in.
Wait,
That's
who's
crazy.
this?
how do you do
Is
this? Oh,
Is it just
Oh.
one? Is it just me? Is the rest of you
Who's
hiding?
this? I believe
They're
so.
fake.
Rodrigo, are you a cone right now?
oh,
Bro, I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure out who's who.
Bro, this game sucks. My prop moves whenever I move.
You have to lock
You
it
have
in.
to.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to lock
Left
in.
control,
Start
left
mewing,
control.
Start mewing. Start mewing.
Oh, okay. Hey, bro, who's the chicken walking across the street?
Nobody. That's an AI.
It's 1 versus 5, bro. I'm losing.
you're a sticker?
Yeah, last time we played this, it didn't go good.
I don't even see you.
I see him.
Oh, thanks for giving him a hint.
Dude, that's stupid. You can like die.
Ah!
Oh,
I was trying to slide. I don't know why I wasn't thinking I was able to.
your big old trash can. Why are you trying to slide?
I was in a trash can.
Oh, that's what you were for me. Why did this map of all maps? This one gives me AIDS. I don't like this one. Who's running?
Run!
You found them down?
No.
Being Junior?
What, fool?
Dude, go! You can see him,
Oh,
he doesn't see
you
you.
think you're so good. You think you're so good being a little cup in the middle of the parking lot. Like Arrowhead Mall. Crazy.
I'm gonna go towards Junior.
How you know it's me?
I just know.
No, you don't.
Bro, there's no way Junior's gonna be able to hit me, bro.
I don't know, you're pretty big. There's a freaking pine cone running across the street.
Get him.
Well, he's freaking fast, fool.
I'm chasing Junior right now. Dude.
No, you're not. Damn, he's
Come on,
about to
get
kill you.
over it.
Turn around.
How
What?
did you find that, bruh?
Freaking chicken, kill the chicken.
Hey, you didn't see nothing, bro. You didn't see nothing.
What?
Oops. I'm in. That's what you get. Stay mad. Rodrigo, sell him out.
I can't, bruh.
I almost just got hit by a car. What the?
I saw that. Hi, Junior. Hi, Junior.
Hi. Hold on, I haven't eaten. Oh, that just ducks move. Just ducks just start get up and moving.
Oh, what the? It's you. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
I wait.
He's a little apple. He's a little apple around here.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. You're a little sneaky. You're a little sneaky.
Sam, you said that pings don't work on this map, right?
No, you
I don't
hear
think
it. You have to be right next to them. That's how I was able to find him, because I was right next to him.
I'm gonna commit
You have to see me, bro.
manslaughter.
I can see you at the corner of my eye. Shoot! I don't know why they didn't give me some sort of rifle, dude.
Because it'd be too easy.
Bro, where'd you go?
I did, fool. I did, fool.
What, Nina? What are you
on.
yapping about?
You passed me a lot of times.
Oh, because I've been across the entire parking lot. Fool.
Hey, you.
She's like, yeah, ooh, dang.
Get the thing. I'm zooming, fool. You can't hit me.
You kidding me? Bro, these bullets are dancing around you.
Bro, you need help, bro?
There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's just Alicia and
The women.
the yeah,
girls.
I guess.
Dude. What are the airdrops for?
They're for us.
I don't
It
know.
gives
I
us,
know. I know, bro.
They give
Come on
us.
here, come on.
They give us. They give us. They give us.
Yep, you got it?
Yeah, they give us.
Yeah.
they give us.
Yep.
Give us a hint, please.
I'm in the
And what if I say no?
I'd
In the
cry.
band.
You
Hey.
cut that out, please.
I
Please
plead
cut
the
that out.
fifth.
Don't cut that out.
What's the fifth?
Not the fourth.
The what?
I don't know. You're asking the wrong dude.
I only know my Second Amendment.
It's an amendment.
We have
10
no rights.
amendments, you know?
That's what I hop on. That's what I hop
Bill
on.
of Rights.
I know the commandments.
No, you know the freaking in and out menu, bro.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to give me a 4x4 right now.
You know the secret menu. That's crazy.
To be fair, the regular menu has like 3 burgers and that's it.
Nuh-uh.
It does.
Freaking new Marvel movie's gonna come out. It's gonna be Avengers: The Secret Menu.
Okay, y'all. Why is it taking this long to fight now?
Sam, do not see where they're at. They're probably some freaking cup in the middle of freaking 4 cars. Ugh.
Why is there a chicken in the middle of the road?
Why the chicken crashes?
To get to the idiot's house.
Why'd you go to your house?
Why'd you kill the chicken?
Because I wanted to.
Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A.
Wait a minute.
There's this metal. Like, wait a minute.
Dude, who hopped in the whip?
At least give us.
Tell me. Yeah, give us a hint.
I'm on the map. Freaking.
I'm orange.
She's a tangerine.
Okay, bro. Yeah, that much is obvious.
Hey, yo!
What? Hey, you.
That's something useful.
Which one
Oh,
of you
what's
are?
this? That's what you get! Why were you so big, fool? Okay,
Alright.
Alicia, you tell me where
Right,
you're
your
at
friend
right
now.
now. I'll give you a bag of hot Cheetos.
I'm good.
Oh, did you get them?
No.
I'll be lost.
Where were you? Where were you?
One secret.
Hey, follow me, guys. Follow me, guys. Follow me,
I bet.
guys.
Wow. I'm gonna become you. Let me become
No.
you.
Follow me, guys. Alright. Okay, dude, where are you at? Okay, yeah. That's smart. Okay, guys, right here. Alright.
Dude, I'm just saying, if he gets near us, we're actually kind of
No,
cool.
I don't want to do it.
If he gets near us, we're actually gonna die.
Ow!
I got my cheats on.
Rodrigo, you gotta
Patito.
steal, bro.
Dude, how did he spawn there?
Hi, where did you come from?
It came from the motherland.
Are you dead? Are you serious?
Yeah,
You're cheating, bro.
That's cheating, bro. You know what? Just for that, I'm just gonna drive.
Just for that, I'm gonna go get a 4x4.
They got caught into a car crash.
It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
Hey, she did it. It's her fault.
He's
Yeah,
black.
it's the girl's fault. It's the girl's fault. Yeah, she got 2 of the worst possible spawn traits, bro. She's a woman and she's black. Definitely.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. They're black.
Help.
No.
Wait, what? For YouTube?